Hey everybody, Brooks from DragTimes here. Another week of the Exhaust Challenge video series. Last week it was a Ferrari F12 done up by ADV1, head compressed to exhaust. Some of those sounds were from the Festival of Speed down in Miami. That car at our last event ran a 10.8 at 132 miles an hour at the streetcardrags.com event, which will be coming up again in January, so keep posted for the upcoming dates for that event. The winner last week who guessed was Danny Contreras, so congrats Danny. We'll send you a t-shirt out. Go ahead and send us an email at info@dragtimes.com with your address, and we'll get that t-shirt out to you. So another clip coming up. Guess in the comments below, and we'll see you next week. Thanks a lot.
Mm-hmm.